want to talk with me later, I'm also going to be on a free webinar. The Moringa Growers Co-op is having a free webinar tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can sign up at moringagrowerscoop.org. We have the link there, moringagrowerscoop.org, and we're going to be on a free webinar tonight. We're going to teach you the fastest way to make money and to get successful in the moringa business, because the moringa tree industry is growing tremendously. It went from awesome. Wow, I'm so glad to be connected, man. I'm glad that you texted, and I'm glad that we're together now. Wonderful. I'm glad that you found us. Someone here is actually knows one of our moringa partners out there in California. So I mean, it's a small world. As big as it is, it's still a small world, and we're all getting connected. When you're in a group, and when you finally found something that you want to be a part of, and you get some momentum behind it, get some movement behind it, and you just team up with people, like-minded people. Oh, it's beautiful. And we're in love with moringa. I'm in love with moringa. I really am. Moringa, she changed my life about